Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn cultivations of different fruit crops. So, let's see first crop, that is mango. We have already learned the different botanical names of different vegetables in paper second in 11th standard. So, in 12th standard we have to learn the botanical names of fruit crops. So, the botanical name of mango is Mangifera indica. So, you know the Mangifera is genus and indica is a species. You have to write always the first letter of genus is capital and first letter of species is small. Also, you have to underline the botanical name. Then, family of mango is Anacardiaceae. ओरिजिन साऊथ ईस्ट आशिया, म्हणजे याचा उगम, मँगोचा उगम किंवा मँगो हे पहिल्यांदा क्रॉप कुठे सापडला असेल तर साऊथ ईस्ट आशियामध्ये. देन देर आर सम पॉईंट्स विच आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट अकॉर्डिंग टू दी कल्टिवेशन ऑफ fruit crops or any other vegetable crops. That points are soil, climate, varieties, planting distance, manures and fertilizer, propagation, pest and diseases. These are the all points which we have to cover in the cultivation of fruit crops. According to these points we are complete the cultivation of fruit crops. Cultivation means त्या झाडाची आपण प्लांटिंग पासून त्याला सॉइल कशी लागते, क्लायमेट कसं लागतं, व्हरायटीज त्यांच्या कोणत्या प्रकारच्या आहेत, प्रोपगेशन म्हणजे त्याचा अभिवृद्धी आपण कोणत्या प्रकारे करतो, कुठल्या अंतरावरती आपण ते लावत असतो प्लांट्स, त्याच्यावरती येणारे रोग किंवा कीड यांची माहिती घेऊन आपण ते कल्टिवेशन पाहत असतो. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इन mango cultivation is soil. So soil is very important to each and every crop, but mango requires very deep and well drained soil. Mango requires very deep and well drained soil. Always well drained soils are very important for the cultivation of fruit crops. Then loamy medium black lateritic soil having upper layer of murum is perfect. समटाइम लोमी मीन्स चिकट माती, मीडियम ब्लॅक मध्यम काळी, लॅट्रेटिक सॉइल मीन्स रेड लॅट्रेटिक सॉइल जी आपण लाल मृदा म्हणतो. शक्यतो आपल्याला ही लाल मृदा किंवा लॅट्रेटिक सॉइल कोकणामध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. सो लॅट्रेटिक सॉइल हॅविंग अप्पर लेअर ऑफ मुरुम इज परफेक्ट, म्हणजे त्या लॅट्रेटिक सॉइलमध्ये वरचा जो लेअर त्यांचा असतो सरफेस सॉइल ती मुरमाड असते. थोडीशी मुरमाड जमीन आपल्याला त्या मँगोसाठी पाहिजे असते. Then the pH of soil should be in between 5.5 to 7.5. Alkaline soil should be avoided. You know the pH. pH means जमिनीचा सामू. तुम्ही केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये पाहिलेच असेल की pH म्हणजे जमिनीचा सामू असतो. सो मँगो रिक्वायर्स pH 5.5 to 7.5. सो अल्कलाइन सॉइल शुड बी अवॉइडेड. ज्या काही अल्कलाइन सॉइल असतील किंवा बेसिक सॉइल असेल ते आपण अवॉइड करतो. आणि थोडासा आपल्याला 7 इज द न्यूट्रल pH and before the 7 it is the acidic pH and after the 7 it is the alkaline or basic pH. So it requires the pH from near about 5.5 to 7.5. Then next point is climate. It is a tropical fruit crop and grows well within the temperature range of 24 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius in summer season. It can be tolerate the temperature range from 46 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Full stop. Mango grows well in humid and warm climate and in areas where there is a good rainfall for 4 months, that is from June to September, and during flowering bright sunny days and low humidities are ideal for its cultivation. High temperature favors fruit development and maturity. So in climate, there is a climatic conditions are very important. Mango is a tropical fruit crop. Tropical means you have already seen the tropical fruit crops or tropical zone in 11th standard. Tropical means it requires warm and humid climate. So the temperature range should be in between 24 to 27 degrees Celsius. In the summers it is the normal temperature range, but it can tolerate also 46 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius temperature. So according to tropical, it can grows well in humid and warm climate and in areas where there is a good rainfall. Mango requires good rainfall for the 4 months from June to September, but at the time of flowering there should be bright sunny days and low humidities, due to which the cultivation is good or flowering is good. Also high temperature favors fruit development maturity. At the time of fruit development it requires high temperature. If there is a high temperature, then fruit development is good and maturity is also good. So this is the climate for mango. Then next point is varieties. So there are different varieties of mango, but for successful mango cultivation it is necessary that the variety selected should be good quality, suitable to that particular climatic conditions. So for successful mango cultivation it is necessary that variety selected should be good quality. जर आपल्याला त्याचं सक्सेसफुल कल्टिवेशन करायचं असेल, आपण एखादा ऑर्चर्ड मँगोचं प्लांट करणार असेल, तर त्या मँगोपासून आपल्याला चांगल्या प्रकारे उत्पादन मिळण्यासाठी आपल्याला जी व्हरायटी आपण लावणार असेल किंवा प्लांट करणार असेल ती व्हरायटी गुड क्वालिटीची म्हणजे चांगल्या क्वालिटीची असली पाहिजे अँड दॅट शुड बी सुटेबल टू आवर क्लायमॅटिक कंडिशन्स. आपल्या इथल्या क्लायमॅटिक कंडिशनला ती सुटेबल झाली पाहिजे. सो अल्फान्सो that is Hapus is suitable for Konkan region. Alfonso, it is a variety of mango. It is a famous variety of mango that is Hapus and is suitable for in Konkan region. तुम्हाला माहितीच आहे की हापूस आंबा हा आपल्याला कोकणामध्ये जास्त पाहायला मिळतो. Almost all the commercial varieties of mango are monoembryonic and only few of them are polyembryonic. Almost all commercial varieties of mango are monoembryonic. Monoembryonic means एका झाडापासून आपल्याला एका बीपासून एका कोईपासून एकच झाड आपल्याला मिळणं म्हणजे त्याला आपण मोनोएम्ब्रॉनिक म्हणतो. आणि पॉलीएम्ब्रॉनिक मीन्स फिनॉमिनॉन ऑफ प्रेझेन्स ऑफ 2 or more एम्ब्रियो विदिन अ सिंगल सीड. एका सीडपासून आपल्याला 2 प्लांट्स किंवा त्याच्यापेक्षा अधिक प्लांट्स मिळणं म्हणजे आपण त्याला पॉलीएम्ब्रॉनिक म्हणतो. आणि मोनोएम्ब्रॉनिकमध्ये एका सीडपासून ओनली 1 प्लांट मिळतं. सो मोस्ट ऑफ these varieties are commercial varieties of mango are monoembryonic, but some few of them are polyembryonic. The polyembryonic varieties of mango are Goa, Olur, Salem, Naleshwar-Dorf and Bapake, etc. The famous mango varieties are Alfonso, Pyri, Kesar, Shendriya, Vanraj, Lalbag, Langra, Neelam, Totapuri, Rajapuri, Ratna, Mallika, Amrapali, Suvarna, etc. Okay, so these are the famous varieties of mango, but polyembryonic varieties are only few of them, that is Goa, Oler, Salem, Naleshwar-Dorf and Bapage, and remaining varieties are the famous mango varieties or famous monoembryonic varieties. The variety Konkan Ruchi is suitable for pickle purpose, which is released by Dr. Balasaheb Sawant Konkan Krishi Vidyapeeth, Dapoli. Out of that, Konkan Ruchi is the best variety or which is suitable for pickle purpose. लोणच्यासाठी आपण ही व्हरायटी सुटेबल असते आणि ती व्हरायटी आपण लोणच्यासाठी वापरली जाते. आणि इट इज रिलीज्ड बाय द बाळासाहेब सावंत कोकण कृषी विद्यापीठ दापोली. So then next point is propagation. You know the propagation. We also see the definition of propagation and also propagation chapter in the 11th standard. So like many other fruit crops, mango can be propagated by seed, but sexually propagated plants bears very late and also yield is less that from the mother plant. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की मँगो हे प्लांट आपण मोस्ट ऑफ दी सीडपासून ग्रो करत असतो किंवा सेक्शुअली प्रोपगेट करत असतो. बट सेक्शुअली प्रोपगेटेड प्लांट्स गिव्स बिअर्स व्हेरी लेट अँड आल्सो इल्ड इज व्हेरी लेस. म्हणजे ते खूप उशिरा बिअर करतो फ्रूट्स आणि इल्डसुद्धा त्यांच्या फार कमी प्रमाणात मिळतं. सो दॅट्स वाय देअर इज that mango crops can be propagated by asexually. So therefore, in order to ensure early bearing habit uniformly, it is necessary to propagate the superior varieties of mango by vegetative method of propagation, that is asexual method of propagation. So mango is commercially propagated by stone grafting. Mango is commercially propagated by stone grafting. There are the different methods of grafting, that is it can also be propagated by approach grafting, in-arch grafting and veneer grafting. But out of that, stone grafting is very important method or successful method for mango cultivation. So that's why stone grafting is the commercial method of mango propagation. Okay. Okay, today now we are stop here. Remaining part of mango cultivation, that is stone grafting in mango, we seen in next lecture. Remaining part of that mango cultivation we see in next lecture. So today's homework is that you have to write these notes in your paper first notebook, and you have to recite the different varieties of mango and also botanical name of mango. Okay, thank you.